You will not believe what I'm about to show you guys right now in this video. In fact, you have already started to see the action in the market taking place, Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market moving around with a lot of volatility, and maybe you don't understand why. So yesterday I made another video saying that, hey guys, right now, this moment marks the real beginning of the bull run. But it was just a video of me talking. I didn't actually show you how the game works and how to actually identify if this is a bull run or not. So right now, I prepared a beautiful chart for you guys that will be able to explain, to show you exactly what is going on here. Once you look at this, you will be able to understand and make the right moves. I mean, it took me a lot of time to put this together, but I wanted everybody to not be left behind and understand exactly what's going on over here. So this is a chart of interest rates by the Fed and Bitcoin's reaction. So each and every red line here represents the Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting, which one is happening today. And I will not spend too much time in the past, but I will just give you a little bit of a recent history. Okay? So this is Bitcoin on the last bull run, right? And you can see that in between here, after most of the Federal Reserve meetings, the price of Bitcoin have been going down significantly. And on each one, I have a comment which says by how much did the Federal Reserve hike interest rate. So here they came in with the first interest rate rise in a lot of time in recent history. This was the moment right here. And you can see in 2022, in March, they raised by 25 basis points. And then the market started getting a little volatile. And they followed by another 50 basis points, and then 75. And then the more they raised on all these FOMC meetings, Bitcoin was struggling and struggling. And now it brings us back to recent history. This is what has happened in 2024. The Federal Reserve's interest rates has been looking like this. In 2023, in 2022, and 2023, on every meeting basically was a hike. Like here, this is 2022, right? You can see the hikes, and hikes, and hikes until 2024, end of 2023 and until 2024. They haven't been raising. They just maintain the same level of interest rate as you can see on this chart here officially. You can also see the same numbers right here on TradingView, that okay, the rate has been really constant. And now for the first time, this line will start declining, going downwards now. We're going into a new cycle because what was happening before is that from here up to where we are now, Bitcoin couldn't go up. The crypto markets couldn't go up. They had to go down because cost to capital was getting more expensive. But today, we're now starting a new trend where this has to happen slowly. So for every meeting, if things are going to be looking good for the economy, they will be cutting rates and cutting rates. The more they cut, the more the market looks good right now. So we are on this day right here. Historical moment for all of us. Fundamentally, it's in our favor, and all you have to do is prepare. So you still should expect some volatility here. It doesn't mean that because the rates are high and then immediately, they cut the rates and immediately the market is going to start pumping. There will be a lot of foul play. There will be a lot of market manipulation. Even the recent run we have had yesterday might get erased because it might be a sell the news kind of situation right now. But overall, be aware that this is what creates a bull run. This is the underpinning principle and recipe that is needed for markets to go up. Whether you're into stocks, whether you're into crypto, this is everything. And right now, guys, is in our favor. So from the yellow line, which is today, we should expect Bitcoin to start just going parabolically high until sometime next year. I showed you already another chart that shows that this bull run could go up until September next year. And if Bitcoin is going up, altcoins are also going up like crazy. So I'm doing something special today. I will be going live during the FOMC meeting. The reason is simple. I want to be able to trade it. I'm going long and short trading the volatility of the FOMC because there's a lot of easy money to be made. So if you're in my Telegram group, there are a lot of signals for free, which you guys can use to trade on CoinW. If you don't have a CoinW account, create an account using my link in the description right now and start trading. Signals are free in the Telegram group as long as you have the CoinW account. So make sure you join in on this live stream. It will be available on X, available on YouTube, and we can watch it together and see what the Feds basically decides. Because this is very important. BlackRock and JP Morgan are expecting 0.25 to 0.5. But remember, this is a letter that came from Elizabeth Warren. I told you guys about this. And they're asking the Fed to cut the rates by 75 basis points or 0.75% because the markets is not looking good right now. And obviously, they want to win the election too. So you have to really be sticking around, be online because a dramatic move might happen and you want to be able to capitalize it, right? I will be sharing in the Telegram group everything, and just make sure you're in there. It's free to join. Links in the description below, guys. I will see you a little bit later. I just wanted to give you context and show you exactly how to sort of track and take advantage of this chart and make money, because this is the moment. You can go back to 2020 to 2021. It will show you 2020 when they started cutting rates due to the pandemic. They started cutting aggressively, and the market just kept on going up. So nobody ever lied to you about, all the other signals and indicators in the market. The biggest one of them all that matters is the interest rate. That's it. And this is the moment that we have all been waiting for. And I wish you guys good luck. Let's trade together. This is our time to make money. It's Q4 on the way. We have to make that generational wealth. Stay awesome. Like the video, retweet, and I'll see you later.